Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever had that sinking feeling when your fuel injected scooter just refuses to start? It's the worst, right? Today, we're diving into that frustrating problem, the hard to start fuel injected scooter. But don't worry, we're going to break it down, make it easy, and get you back on the road. First things first, let's talk about what makes a fuel injected scooter tick. Unlike their carburetor cousins, these scooters use an electronic fuel injection system. Basically, a computer controls how much fuel goes into the engine. Pretty cool, huh? But this also means a bunch of sensors and components need to work together perfectly. So, when things go wrong, it can be a bit of a detective game. Now, let's get into some common culprits. One of the first things to check is your battery. A weak battery can cause all sorts of starting problems. The fuel injection system needs a good amount of power to work. If your battery is old or hasn't been used in a while, it might not have enough juice. Try charging it up and see if that does the trick. Still no luck? Okay, let's move on to the fuel system itself. Clogged fuel injectors are a classic problem. Over time, tiny particles can build up and block the flow of fuel. This means the engine isn't getting enough fuel to start. You might need to clean or replace the injectors. Fuel pumps can also cause issues. The fuel pump's job is to deliver fuel from the tank to the injectors. If the pump is faulty, the engine won't get any fuel. Listen for a whirring sound when you turn the key. If you don't hear anything, the pump might be the problem. Another thing to consider is the spark plugs. Spark plugs provide the spark needed to ignite the fuel-air mixture. If they're old, worn, or fouled, they won't work properly. A simple spark plug replacement can often solve the starting issue. Don't forget about the air filter. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine. The engine needs a proper air-fuel mixture to start. Check your air filter and replace it if it's dirty. Now, let's troubleshoot step by step. First, check the battery. Is it charged? Does it have enough power? Next, listen to the fuel pump. Can you hear it whirring when you turn the key? If not, investigate the fuel pump. Then, inspect the spark plugs. Are they in good condition? Consider replacing them. Finally, check the air filter. Is it clean? Replace it if necessary. When you're dealing with a hard starting scooter, you can also use a code reader. These tools can tell you what specific errors the scooter's computer is detecting. This can help you find out the exact problem, like a faulty sensor, making troubleshooting a lot easier. If you've tried all of these steps, and your scooter still won't start, it's probably time to take it to a mechanic. They'll have the tools and expertise to diagnose the problem correctly. So, there you have it, folks. A quick guide to solving the hard-to-start fuel-injected scooter problem. Hopefully, these tips will get you back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more scooter tips and tricks. Ride safe.